Hi, I'm Rachel Alford from Cozy Nooks Designs, and I'm going to show you how to make a left lifted increase, or LLI. The LLI is worked by lifting the stitch 2 rows below the one on your left needle. So this is the stitch on my needle, this is the stitch right below my needle, and this is the stitch 2 stitches below the one on my needle. And you can see I've picked up the left leg. So that's the left leg. This is the right leg, but we are going to be picking up the left leg. So inserting the needle from back to front like this, drawing it up. And then instead of knitting it like normal, like this, you're going to knit it through the back loop. And that is how you do a left lifted increase. So let me show you how to do it again. So not this stitch on your needle, not the one right below it, but the one below that one. And you're going to pick up the left leg, draw it up, and then going through the back loop, knit it. And that is how it looks. The left lifted increase. Again. So not this one that's one below it. We're going to go 2 below. And through the back loop, knit like that. So you can see we have one right here, and right here. And if you're having trouble getting it to work by picking it up with your left needle, like this, you can use your right needle to grab that left leg and then place it onto your left needle like that. And then going through the back loop and knitting it. When spaced appropriately, the left lifted increase is very clean in your work and is nearly invisible for increases. So it is perfect for yokes, sweaters, and for cardigans. Some tips when you're working this: when you're lifting this stitch up, don't twist the stitch. You want to make sure you're going through the back loop. And then just practice a few times so you can get the tension right. And that's it. Now you know how to do the left lifted increase in knitting. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more knitting and crochet tutorials, and leave a comment if you have questions or want to see some other techniques. Happy knitting!